Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to talk about Maersk, the largest shipping container line of the world. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So the first story that I would want to talk about today is about the emblem of Maersk. Have you ever noticed on a highway that a truck is carrying a big container with a Maersk logo on it, and this logo has a blue background and a white star? But do you know the story behind this white star and this logo? Why only that star in all the Maersk ships and all the containers? Well, today I will tell you why it is like that. So the story goes around like this. Mr. Peter Moller, who was one of the co-founders of Maersk, his wife was terribly ill and he was very sad. He always prayed for her good health and fortune, but her health was declining rapidly. So one day he was looking into the skies and he was praying for her good health. And he wished if he could see a star that would fall. So that would mean that the Lord has heard his wish. And it is said that his wife recovered, as a result of which he posted the first Maersk symbol in one steamship's Laura. And he put it on the left and right side of the chimney. And from that, it became an emblem of Maersk. And now if you see, all the shipping containers and all the Maersk ships have this blue background with a white Maersk 7-pointed star. So that's the story about Maersk Line. So the next thing that I would want to talk about is how I got placed in Maersk. I was in Tolani Maritime Institute, which was affiliated to WITS Pilani at that point of time. And in the second year, Maersk visited our campus for placements. And I sat for the interview, and then we had to give a computer test. It is called a psychometric test. First, we had to clear the psychometric test. After that, we were given a chance to have an interview. And if you clear both of them, then you would be selected. And I was lucky enough to get selected in Maersk in the second year of college itself. That's how I got my first placement and my first training ship, which I received after fourth year. So that is how I got recruited in Maersk. The next thing that I would want to talk about, how is the living conditions on board? Do they have sufficient facility or it is just a hype? So I would want to tell you that Maersk is one of the largest shipping line in the world, and it is providing facilities that you can never imagine in an office space which is floating in the middle of the ocean. To give you some glimpse, here are some of the pictures that I would want to show you. These are some of my rooms, my cabin, and some home theater systems and gaming stations that we have on board. Then we also have our swimming pools, and then we have a lot of music players. Maersk provides a lot of opportunities on board to keep you entertained. So the next thing that a lot of people ask me on LinkedIn and Instagram is, how can I get selected in Maersk? What are the procedures? How can I apply? I cannot do cadetship now, I'm working for a different company. Or maybe some fresher who wants to apply. So I would tell you that Maersk is very strict in hiring cadets, and they are only hiring cadets from some colleges, and then they groom their way onto the rank of officers. I think you should also keep a check on the career sections of the Maersk profiles. There sometimes they are giving opportunities for officers from other companies also to join Maersk. So then you can join the legacy and be proud to work in the largest shipping container company of the world. Here's a fun fact. Do you know Maersk operates around 786 ships all over the world and responsible for the major part of the world trade right now? These reports are according to Wikipedia and you can verify. That is why it is called one of the largest shipping companies in the world. So this question I get asked a lot, and I mean a lot. People are asking me, do you get Indian food on board? What are you eating on board? Do you have sufficient supply to keep running? And the answer to all of this would be yes. We have plenty of food and provision items on board. Whenever we are going on a port, we order a lot of food items through the captain and the chief cook, and the provisions are received which we can use in the long run when we are in the oceans. And talking about food, you can experience some of the most exotic foods that you can have on board a container vessel. And the food ranges from Indian food, which can be some kind of roti or dal or chapati or something, and it can also go to sometimes aloo parathas and paneer parathas and whatever you can think of. It provides the conditions that sometimes the chief cook wants to make that for you. Otherwise, the regular food that involves are some pieces of chicken, mutton and everything ranging from all the seafoods. There are also food for the vegetarian. So if you are a vegetarian, you are not missing out that much. Of course, you will have some issues because you will not get the regular meals that you are having in your homes. But yeah, there will be options for you. So now next, I'll talk about the cabins. The cabins means the living spaces in the accommodation of the ship. So everyone, whether you are a cleaner, whether you are a cook, whether you are an engineer, whether you are an officer, everybody is entitled to a single room and they can live alone there, and you can enjoy the independence and private space at your own time. You have your time, you can sleep, you can watch movies. In the officer cabins, we also have televisions, music systems and a mini fridge inside the cabin. So yeah, you can take advantage of all those items provided to you thanks to Maersk. Nowadays, a global pandemic has taken over. I was on board a Maersk ship when the COVID situation started to happen, and I was having the first-hand experience of how a ship is operating, what safety protocols are we following. And let me assure you that Maersk is taking a lot of care for curbing this COVID-19 on the ships. Special care is taken, special PPE masks are provided, sanitizers are placed at every corner of the ship. So whenever you want, you can just take the sanitizer, sanitize your hands and remain safe. The crew that is going outside the ship is sometimes given this white overall to wear if they have to react with the shore authorities. And proper social distancing was also maintained on board the ship. So yeah, the company is taking great care of providing this COVID safety precautions. And do you know one very interesting fact that I would want to share is that during the COVID times, everyone was very sad and dejected that they were stuck on board and this global pandemic has taken over. People were worried about their families and friends. Maersk did a special gesture for all of us. Maersk provided some amount of money for the recreational activities. We can buy items, we can get something from ashore, and all those were paid by Maersk. And one of our pictures that I would attach here, I would show you that we prepared some kind of hoodies thanks to the chief officer that we had on board, Mr. Vikram. He bought us some great hoodies from Rotterdam Port, and because of that, we all were looking very smart inside, and then we had a lot of games and a lot of photo sessions. So yeah, that was one of the moments that I remember from the Corona pandemic that happened on a ship. So guys, what are you waiting for? If you are doing your marine engineering or you are doing some nautical courses, then feel free to apply for Maersk and you can experience one of the biggest shipping companies in the world. You can work from them. They have joining from different ports all over the world. You get hotel stays and you get shore leaves. Of course, this Corona time, it is quite difficult to fetch both of them. But I would say that it is better to try your luck. Who knows that you might be the next one, next marine engineer or next navigator sailing for Maersk Line and making videos like this. Hit like if you like this video and follow and subscribe for more videos like this. I'll keep bringing you content. Remember to press that bell icon here so that you can get a notification whenever I am posting a video. Thank you so much guys. See you.